Hello, Internet.
Hello, everybody. No, I'm back. I'm back yet again.
Just doing a
Isn't that
PM update.
classic, as Tim does? We're back with another episode of ChEffect, the series that we're doing where we're building out a little local first application with Effect. That's also using LiveStore, just for fun for us, and also to get some experience with LiveStore. Since it's also built on top of Effect. Yeah, I don't remember where we left off last time.
We were doing the grocery list, and I think we're up to the AI part.
Oh, nice. That'll be interesting.
So it will be interesting. Right. I'll present the screen. Font size. There we go. Alright, to-dos. Add beautify grocery list using AI. And a skeleton. Okay.
Let's do it. Are we using 10 stack for this?
We're using 10 stack errata, but not anything more than that.
There was an update to start recently, and I don't know if Router has the same update that we have to make.
I got no idea.
Well, given the app is loading, I think we don't. Because the other app I've been working on.
Nope. I'm not using Star. I'm just using the router.
Okay. Very good.
Let me see. Alright, so we have a grocery list with ingredients. And what we want to do is have an option to send this list to AI, and
have a little we should have a little and next to the plus button, or maybe on the left of it, we should have a little sparkle button that does the cleanup.
Magic wand. Yeah. But the idea is that AI would then put all of these into grocery aisles for you, and then collapse. We've got two items for salt here, so it combine those and combine the quantities. So it sounds pretty straightforward, I think. So I think the first thing to do is maybe a scratch page. The prompt that we'll do.
Yeah.
And just to see what kind of results we get.
You can play with my new prompt APIs and tell me if I did good or not.
Sounds good. So a scratch page. Or series. So we have already have an ingredient. What is it?
I think it's an ingredient class.
Grocery item schema.
Grocery item.
Copy. Item. We don't need these constructors right now. feel like for AI, we're just seeing like a more simple version that only has name, quantity, and aisle.
Probably, yeah. For our little test here, we could probably just have those fields.
Well,
what if you click the cleanup button? We should probably also want completed, because we probably will want, if you like completed something, that filter it out, maybe. I don't know.
Oh yeah, we can just filter those out before we send them.
Sure.
I feel like, yeah, we'll just ignore completed ones. Schema.struct. And then here we just want to do struct. Pick from grocery item dot view. Yeah. Let's pick quick again. I guess we just do schema dot pick. Grocery item dot find schema dot pick. Name, quantity, aisle. Nice. So maybe we add some annotations, description. Alright. Description and item to be added to the grocery list.
Nice.
And I think for AI, it has to be a struct, so you can't just give it a raw array. So grocery item list equals schema dot struct and items. There we go. So for the AI part, I guess we need some mock data. Grocery item AI dot name. Name. Sweet paprika.
Sweet paprika. 2 pounds. That sounds good. 2 pounds of sweet paprika.
1.5 teaspoons. Great. And the most cases.
Let's put them all in. Let's put it all in other.
Yeah.
Oh, is it null? If you put, yeah.
Make does not exist.
I think you have.
Yeah, so you have to use schema.struct here.
There's so many things about the schema in 4.0 that I'm looking forward to. And constructors on everything is definitely one of them.
Yeah, it is nice. Struct dot pick. What's the signature? Struct then keys. So here we can go grocery item dot fields and then go name, Quantity file. There we go. No. And then let's just do 2 items of salt. Just to match.
You know what would be really interesting is do 1 tablespoon and 3 teaspoons. I want to see if AI can figure that out. We should use
if you do like kosher salt as well.
Yeah, let's start out with like just
teaspoons. And can it work out like, let's say, table salt? Alright, so we've got our mock data. We need to go AI, language model now. Language model. Generate object. I guess we need to serialize this for the prompt. I guess JSON's fine. I feel like what could be quite useful in Effect AI is like a XML serializer too, because apparently that works better for prompt inputs.
what would the desired API look like? Something that takes like a schema and serializes it to XML, or?
Yeah.
Wonder if Julio's thought of that. But I could also build it into the AI library. It should be pretty
straightforward to make. So JSON to XML in BM. So we have we can run this. To XML. This one is more popular 7 years ago. Guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it. No types though. Next. JS to XML. 5 months ago has types. JS to XML.
There's the JS to XML parser library I've seen come up on my searching. I don't know if that's the same library. It's the XML parser. Oh yeah, this one was 3 years old. No, 11 years old.
Import to XML from JS to XML. What is XML element? The string to unknown, okay. And let's just quickly try this. So to x console.log to XML to it's workable. What we want now is maybe just a quick schema thing. And then to XML schema dot unknown and then do a schema dot transform. And this will go to a string. Or do we want to go the other way because it's in code? Oh no.
Will we not be able to get back? Unless JS to XML is a from XML.
We want a schema that ends up as a string. Yeah, this is fun. So this will be an encode only schema for now. Encode. We want the object here. Yeah, so we need to flip this. Great. And return to XML object. There's any. What are these options? Depth, indent. Now we have a schema that goes from string to unknown. Standard array XML. Which will go from unknown to XML. Apply schema dot compose this array. To XML. Encode to XML. And then here we can go return schema encode sync this dot array XML items. Console.log. It needs to be read-only, right? Nope. Yeah.
Do we need this schema
Needs to
even?
be,
Can we just, like, if we're just calling in the 2XML and the items directly, do we even need the schemas?
yeah, to get it back. To get back the result. Grocery item AI. This will be type of, yeah. There we go. Okay. It doesn't seem quite right.
No.
Each item, I guess we need to encode the entire thing. So if we go down here, grocery item list, grocery items. That's the problem.
It's just right to the array in the composite schema.
There we go. And then that's better. It would be good to get that with some white space though. And I'm guessing there's an option here to add white space. Indent. Indent. 2 spaces. There we go. What is that aisle? Aisle, no.
Can you set self-closing to true in the options? Or whatever, it's something closing. Yeah, hit that true. I think it's because it's a null field that it's just like not handling it properly.
Maybe if we search for subsequent to replacements.
Try and map content map if it's null, just like.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if we can do null to undefined or something. Or an empty string. So those tags. Content. Email. Yep. Now equals no. First we'll try undefined and see what happens. Right.
It's pretty good. Okay, if you set self-close tags to false out of curiosity now, does it generate the full tag? No.
So it's the default. All right, let's send that off and see what happens. Prompt. I guess we can do it all inline. Right.
This is going to be roll. That's good. Sebastian, you could request a song, but it won't play because it's not my OBS that's running right now. So there is no songs.
Sebastian requesting songs.
Sebastian is asking if he can request a song.
That makes
But that like cleans up a list of grocery items, or that something.
Jane duplicate items.
Good night, Sebastian.
Duplicate items. Same idea. It's a bad example. The next thing will be the actual grocery list. Or can you just like put it all into the system? Here is the list of items in
You can. I think that it's a higher priority, like in most LLMs. So I guess it's fine.
We'll just send a system prompt. And then we need the schema output, which will be a grocery item list. Shall we preserve the ID? I guess so.
Probably, yeah.
ID 1. I guess we'll just be replacing the list, because if it condenses items together, we have to remove stuff anyway.
Yeah.
I can keep the ideas, sure. The original list. If use the ID of the first item. I think we were using open GPT-5 on it? GPT-5 mini. And now we'll need a client, open AI client layer config. And then we need HTTP client. Layer. And we need to log it, I guess. Oh. env file.
Thinking.
Maybe if we wrap each item as well.
It'll be in a value property at the bottom if the structured generation was successful.
Go to items.
That's times like these where I wish I was better at them.
So if we record macro,
Nice.
Get rid of that.
Do you have macro repetition on, or do you have to push Shift A?
To record a macro
Shift
in
Tab.
Vim, you press Q and then a register.
No, I meant like to re-invoke the macro. Do you push Shift like the add button to rerun it, or do you have a separate binding?
The H symbol.
It's like really far away from my fingers on my keyboard, so anyway.
No.
No. Console.dir, Tim.
Anyway.
Just change the log to console.dir instead. What was it not happy about?
I just want to get rid of the nesting for the output schema.
Gotcha.
Sweet paprika is in pantry. Nice.
I like
chicken breast.
Look at the quantity of generated results. It actually, is that correct? How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? Let me see.
Google.
3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. So that is actually correct.
Nice.
You should adjust the system prompt to tell it when combining quantities.
Don't show the equation.
Yeah, don't show any computation. Just show the final quantity.
Only show the final.
Man, we didn't even get to use any of my cool prompt things that I had.
Well, yeah.
What is this? Maybe you say like show the final merged. That would be just put a separate bullet point when combining quantities.
Quantities. Do not show the calculations. You're right. Well, that's clear enough now.
We'll conquer your Chad Chippity. Surely that's clear enough. Nope, not clear enough. One tablespoon and 3 teaspoons is 6 teaspoons. But it's 2 tablespoons. You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Sometimes I have to do math out loud. Don't judge me.
No judgment here.
Okay.
There we go.
So we merged the salt,
paprika,
chicken breasts, and pepper. Like those other 2 ones were independent items, right?
Yeah, so ID 3 for salt, which is correct. 2 for breast, yep. 1 for sweet paprika. Great.
Cool.
And what were the aisles? Petri means seafood. Petri. Cool. Alright, so if we add our schemas first. And we also need to install that XML thing. JS to XML.
First shot, our AI cleanup little wand button. First shot. It's gonna work.
Anyway? Oh, yeah,
what is telling the oxide?
It's probably just some Rust thing that they use to speed up something. JS to XML to XML. And we got this guy.
Nice.
I guess while we're here, we can do. Oh no, it's already streamed. That's fun. Yeah, we need these guys. We want the effect one. First, Suri item list XML. Might tweak this. Items. I think that is all the schemas we need. So now we need to do a service of some kind. Groceries. Or we could just put it in a mutation.
I think either way is fine. Do we have a services directory?
I usually put services. Oh, we do. AI helpers. So I can't beautify groceries.
That's not how you spell groceries, Tim.
Yeah. So groceries. What will this take? A list of grocery items. Read only array grocery item. I guess if we return the items that need to be removed and like the new set of items or the items that need to be updated. But first, we
That means
get
we'll have to filter out.
our language model. And if we get our prompt,
Look at that prompt.
this will be encode. This probably needs a helper to go from. Well, I guess that should be assignable to this. Maybe this just takes an array. Read only array. Or, groceries. There we go. And then the schema will be a grocery item list. And then that will be our response. Cool. Or response item of response dot value dot items.
Do we want to filter out the
Completed
ones that are already completed? Yeah.
Yeah,
those
I
are the
guess we
only
need
ones.
to do a pass of the list anyway. For let's item of groceries. So we need to work out which ones are not needed anymore as well. So maybe if we have a map of stuff that we remove from. Leftover items equals new map string grocery item. And that can be just, I guess, an array. So here, leftover items, and there we go. Then here we need to go new grocery item previous, and then merge in the new stuff and then updated it.
Wait, if we're looping over the response items, are we gonna? Don't we want to not exit the loop early?
That doesn't exit the loop. That just goes to the next item.
Right, but if we get an item back, like all the items are going to be in leftover items to start with, right?
Yeah, we check if it is actually an ID that we know of. And if for some reason that ID didn't exist, then we continue. That technically shouldn't happen, but it might.
Got it.
If the AI hallucinates or something. Okay. We then remove it from leftover items because it's something that we want to keep. And then we push it into updated items because we want to update the database.
Yeah.
And then remove items will be that. We have items to update and items to remove. And then if we just return both of those. Cool. So the entire list of groceries come in. We don't need this because we don't need it. I guess we only do this if it isn't completed.
We want to filter completed items out entirely from the groceries that we send to the LLM.
Well, yeah, we just want to send leftover items, I guess. So here it would be array. Yeah. Cool. So filter out stuff, send it to AI. We get back the new grocery items. And we've worked out what to remove. Great. Cool. Now we need to wire it up. Yeah, we can do that in atoms. No helpers. Does that already have a runtime? No. Atom.runtime AI helpers .default. And now we need to do a runtime.fn. Which, so we need to get the current list. Grocery items. Atom. That is
It's per category,
by
right?
aisle. Yeah.
Yeah. But at that point, we don't really
want
care
a
about
separate
that.
query. We need AI stuff. We need to provide our language model. So here we go, effects to provide model. Great. Removed, updated. For item of removed. We need commit store. Virtual store dot layer. Yeah. So for every item we need to move, we go store dot commit and events dot grocery item deleted. And that needs an ID. Or class item I've updated. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's all
Make a button and fire it off, Tim. Let's do it.
Make a button.
But it's got a sparkle.
Groceries. Function. Beautify button.
That's what I'm talking about.
Result and use atom beautify groceries atom. So we have our result and then the commit function. And we need some icons on click. Disabled result dot waiting. So what is that? Loose side. Loose side icons.
Oh yeah, that second one. One sparkles. Love that. That is what I'm talking about.
That's what we want. And if result dot waiting, I just want to show some kind of loading spinner. Do you already have one of those somewhere? A loading spinner?
I don't know.
Shared scene. Loading.
There's a spinner?
Oh. Really? Really?
Guess not.
We'll just do the load a circle.
And you can actually animate it.
CSS spin, yeah.
Animate spin.
What was it called? Load a circle. This will go where? Go next to that plus button.
To the left of the plus. I think we want it on the other side. Yeah, other side.
Really?
Yeah. Trust me. Yeah. No, I think you have to switch to all.
Was it?
Nothing. Sorry.
Okay, so that didn't work. Let's first check if this is actually triggering.
I was so excited.
Okay, so that's working.
What a letdown.
Let's add a log in here. Good. Still working. Current items. That doesn't look right there.
Shouldn't be a math. It should be on right.
Yeah, it should be.
There's the order by. Is that comes in?
I wonder if LiveStore is doing some caching of some kind. How can I?
You can get rid of the order by.
Yeah.
Because for this query, ordering doesn't matter.
We'll just do that. Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
It's loading.
Show me what you got, Jippity. What's happening?
No response yet.
Jippity's having a rough time with this one.
Ending. Hey.
Whoa. Look at that. It's beautiful. That is what I'm talking about, Tim.
That's a beautiful grocery list now.
That is a gorgeous grocery list. Some would say it's the best grocery list.
I guess it would be nice if it was faster. But
We can always play around with different models because GPT-5 is slow.
I guess 4.1 might be good enough.
Yeah.
I think for extracting a recipe, you kind of want a bigger, good model.
I agree with that.
I
usually name them by
model. If we do GPT for what the heck is Turbo?
No idea. GPT 4.1.
Right. So over here, we'll use our grocery model. Fried chicken, head to grocery list. Ooh, make it beautiful.
Make it so pretty.
A bit fast, but faster.
It's not that bad. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Cool. I would say for the next time, we probably want to mess around with the state of the app when we're actually beautifying. Make sure that users can't click buttons, basically make everything non-editable.
Lock the lists. Yeah. Or if they change something, cancel the beautify, which might be better.
Right. Cool though.
Yep.
Good stuff.
Let's do it once more. Prevent race conditions when beautifying series. Save. Push.
Cool, man. This is good stuff. This is becoming an app I want to use.
Yeah. I wonder if we make the entire thing tick.
Yeah.
On my current grocery list app, the checkbox target is so small that you always miss it.
Yeah, it would be nice to just be able to click the tile, have it toggle.
Yeah. Before we
Sorry,
forget
folks.
to-dos.
Oh, yeah, put in the to-dos. While Tim enters that last to-do, I hope everybody had a good time and enjoyed watching us mess around with some AI stuff. Hopefully, next time we'll also be able to get into some interesting stuff with state management in the app or dealing with cancellation or whatever. Yeah. Thank you all for joining us today. Cheers, everybody.